And now for our final speaker. There's a Tibetan proverb that says, "Where your friends are, that is your country. And where you receive love, that is your home." Unfortunately, there are times in our lives when we feel like we can't find either one. Our final speaker is going to talk about how she was able to find both through music. So please help me and welcome Miss Igbal Alaa Aldin.
Good evening, everyone. In a show of hands, how many of you have ever experienced bullying in their life? Well, in this evening, I'll be talking about bullying and how I have overcome in my life. When I first moved to the US, I used to live in Westwood in West LA, and I went to school there. I was in completely culture shock. It was so different. I never attended school with boys before. Where I came from, all educational institutes, boys and girls were separated. Well, a little bit of background about me. I'm an 18-year-old. I'm Sudanese, but I was born and raised in Saudi Arabia. I moved here about 5 years ago. I started getting bullied in school. People didn't like the way I looked, the color of my skin, my religion, and the scarf I wear around my head. I was basically an outsider. One time, I got my scarf pulled out of my head. It made me just wanna drop out of high school. I don't wanna go to school anymore. I was too shy to stand up for myself and too scared. My mom was the one who always solved my bullying problems, such as just talking to my principal or meeting with my teachers. It was a frustrating time for her more than it was for me. So everyone just clap for my mom for helping me out to get through this. So I decided not to give up, and I wanted to try something new. I joined the swim team for a little while. I tried out and I got in. I really liked it. I practiced so hard and I got into varsity in a very short amount of time. Swimming made me forget about every single problem in my life and all the bullying experiences that's been happening at that time. Just whenever I swim, I just forget everything. And then it made me feel so good. I also participated in championships. I didn't win, but it raised my self-esteem. 3 years passed by. My family and I moved to Simi Valley, and I decided to change everything about my life, my personality, the way I look. I just wanted to discover myself. So my mom suggested that I should maybe try choir. Maybe I would like it. I didn't even know I could sing. See how mother knows, huh? Yeah. I also joined the Muslim Student Association club in school. It made me feel good to be around people that that are from the same religion. They helped me a lot to get through a lot of stuff. So with my story, I just wanted to help people who are experiencing discrimination or bullying. Well, I was luckily able to inspire those people. The reason why that I stopped not just I don't The reason why I wanted to help those who were experiencing bullying, because when I see something not right, I just want to change it. I don't want to sit around anymore and be quiet. So in school, one time, I planned a multicultural day, which was a very huge success. The purpose was to make everyone in school feel like they belong, and which diversity and unity was a huge purpose as well. With those activities that I have done in school, I became less shy over time. I started to notice that I have a good voice. My music teacher have told me that with a little bit of practice, I can be a good singer. So I just found myself in music. Performing just made me realize that there's nothing hard to do. You just need the love, the courage, the self-love. I felt my shyness behind, and I started to stand up for every single bully or someone that tries to lower my self-esteem. And here I am, strong, confident, beautiful, right? I will always be proud of who I am. My hijab, the color of my skin, my religion, I just love myself. I'll never change anything about me. And my past will always remind me to be a better person. And I would like to conclude my speech with a song that I admire so much. It talks about self-love and self-value. Little girl watching her reflection as she puts her curls into 4 sections. She says, I don't look like them, I don't look like her, and I don't want what's on my head. Baby girl, don't be misled. Yeah, young woman, reading magazines, thinking to herself, nobody looks like me. Oh, I've got all these curves, well, all this nerve, why can't I keep them in? Oh, baby girl, if you love yourself, you can. Can nobody love somebody that do not love themselves? You are what you choose to be. It's not up to no one else. So be great, be kind. Don't let them dim your life. A woman like the sun should always stay bright. Yes, you are like the sun, so always stay bright.